In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your trading account on MetaTrader 5. We'll walk through the Windows desktop version of MT5 step by step so you can confidently connect to your broker and see live market data. Start by launching MetaTrader 5. Double-click the MT5 icon on your desktop or open it from the Start menu. Then give the platform a moment to fully load. You should see charts, a Market Watch window with symbols and prices, and the main menu across the top. If this is your first time opening MT5, that default layout is normal. Next, open the Login window. Go to the File menu at the top left, then choose Login to Trade Account. Depending on your build, it may appear as Login to Existing Account, but it takes you to the same place. If you don't immediately see your broker's server in the list, use the search field to look it up. Type a few letters of your broker's name and let MT5 fetch the available servers. It's important to pick the exact server your broker specifies, such as their demo or live server, because choosing the wrong one will prevent a successful connection. Now enter your account credentials in the Login dialog. In the Login field, type your trading account number provided by your broker. This is your account ID, not an email address or anything related to installing MT5. For the password, enter your trading or master password. If you log in with an investor password instead, MT5 will open in read-only mode. You'll be able to monitor charts and positions, but you won't be able to place trades. For server, select the exact server name from your broker. For example, a demo server if you're practicing, or a live server if you're trading real funds. If it isn't visible, use the search to find it. You can check Save Password to speed up future logins, but consider leaving it unchecked on shared computers. Finally, connect to your account by clicking OK or Login. A successful login is easy to spot. Your account balance will appear in the toolbox under the Trade tab, charts will start updating in real time, and the Market Watch prices will stream. The History and Trade tabs will populate with your account data. If it doesn't connect, double-check the account number, password, and server selection, and make sure Caps Lock isn't on. Also confirm that you're choosing the correct demo versus live server as specified by your broker. That's it. Launch MT5, open the Login window, enter the correct credentials and server, and connect. You're now ready to monitor the markets and, with the trading password, place trades confidently.